Kristen from Garden Exploration, and I'm excited today to show you my haul from the Dollar Tree. So I like to check them out. This is the end of February, early March, when they start to get all of their garden supplies in, because I don't want to miss out what they have because it gets sold out so quickly. And I was super excited to find these pots. I was looking for these last year and I was too late. They were already all gone because I wanted to use them for my strawberries. And what you do, you grab a couple of these. These stack like this. So you can make a tower. And I've seen them like in Amazon and other places, and they were expensive. But if you can find them at the Dollar Tree, you can make your own for a lot less. So last year I ended up doing some strawberry pots that I found, but I know I have a whole bunch of more runners coming off from the original patch, so I could make another tower of strawberries, make a tower of strawberries using these, or I could use them for other vegetables. I'm planting a vegetable garden again this year, and I'm sure there are something, maybe some green beans or something would be cool to do in those. So I got 8 of those. There's still a bunch there, so hopefully other people will find them and use them too. And I got these pots too. These are super cute. They look like little half barrels. There's no drainage in them, but you can just use a drill and put your own drainage holes in. And I received a raffle basket last year with some herbs planted in one of these, and it was just so cute. I wanted to be able to make some more, either to sell or use as gifts, or keep some for myself. So I grabbed some of those. They had some other nice pots there. I haven't tried these before, so I just grabbed one of each color to try them out this year. There's drainage holes in the bottom, and there's a little place where you can put the water in, but there's not, I'm not sure if these water comes out those. You see there's some tiny holes in the bottom there. So I'm not sure exactly how this is going to work. What I might do is just use this as an outer pot and still have an inner pot in there and just see what it does. So I'm going to try these out this year. And they had some other nice pots. These, look at the drainage basket in there, which keeps the roots from getting down where water might puddle. There are some little dots you can, little circles you can punch out using a hammer and a screwdriver, or I would recommend drilling, because I've tried the hammer and screwdriver thing, and sometimes it works too well, makes a big hole. So I'm going to try those out this year. These I got before, and I punched the holes in the bottom that they have there, and I have a whole row of them on my patio holding some trailing plants. I can't think of what the name is right now. Vinca, that's right, variegated Vinca. And I had some pots in there that didn't match, so I wanted to grab a few of these and put them in here so that I can have matching pots. All right, what else? Oh, I got these solar lights, and I picked up some of these last year. They're still working, and they're nice to leave out there all year long, especially when I let my dog out at night. It kind of lights up the yard a little bit for her. So I wanted to get some more of these to put in further back towards my cut garden. So I picked up, I think I got 6 of those. So those will be nice. And I saw these clips there. These are really cool. Let me take them out to show you. And these are called plant clips. And you can use them, like if you have a stem or something, like a tulip or a daffodil that's falling over and you want to put a stake next to it, you can just put this clip around it. There's a couple different sizes. They're also great for orchids. I was, the smaller ones I think would be good for holding up orchid stems. I used these this year for hanging up my herbs. I put up a curtain rod and tied some jute around the bunches of herbs, and then I used this clip to attach the loop of string to the curtain rod, and that worked really well for me, especially when I want to get it down. It was really fast. So I was glad to find some more of those. I also got some of these little planters, which are very cute for window boxes. I used these last year for planting some lettuce in to grow inside, and I punched holes in the bottoms of all of them, and then I was like, oh, what do I use for, like a drainage tray, and I just ended up using some clear shoe boxes. So I got some more of these this year, so I'm just going to use these for the drainage trays, put the ones I already have holes in inside these, maybe put some pebbles at the bottom to kind of hold them up a little bit, so that they look nicer instead of just the plastic shoe boxes under them. Okay, I also found clay pots, which I think are like over $1 each, like at Walmart, and so I got 2 for $1. Well, it's $1.25 now. Everything's gone up, but so I picked up 4 sets. So I have 8 altogether, and I really like using these for succulents, and I am in the process of propagating succulents, so I want to be able to have some clay pots on hand to plant them in when they are ready. So I was happy to find those. And I was in the candle section and I saw these little pedestals, and I thought they would be super cute for putting raising plants up on. Like I've got this nice dragon tail plant, and I could put it on top of a pedestal just to have some variety. In fact, I think I'll put that right over there right now. So like if you're making a little arrangement on your mantle or in your coffee table or something, you can have some differences in height. And more decorative stuff. I got these cute little frogs. Aren't they cute? I got 3 of them. This one is lying down, and there's another little guy. And I just want to kind of put them in my plant room for now, around my plants. Like, I don't know, just for a little bit of interest and cuteness while I'm going around watering my plants. Yeah, some little friends around. Let's put this one down here. And then in the spring, I will probably move them outside into my garden or on my patio or someplace out there. I haven't quite decided yet. And more cute stuff. I got these cute little fairy houses. This one here. Let's get them a little closer. There you go. And I love this one. It looks like a little teapot. So in my rock garden, I have some fairy furniture, but I don't have any little houses yet. So I want to put these in my rock garden to add some more interest in there. Especially sometimes there's some times of year where there's nothing blooming in there, so this will add a little more color. But I didn't want anything garish. Some of the houses there were just a little too colorful for me, and I liked these because they kind of coordinated in this similar color scheme. And my rock garden is right near my front sidewalk, so I'm right next to a playground, so a lot of kids walk by there, and I think it's fun for the kids to have some little fairy things for them to look at. So I got those, and here's another cute thing. It says, welcome. I don't know if that's going to come out backwards on the video or not, but I like the color of it, and I thought I might find a place to hang it near my front door. And I happened to see these little note cards, and of course I had to get those. All right, what else did I find? Oh yes, these plant trays. These get sold out so fast, and I just thought I would grab them while I see them, because sometimes I have to resort to using, recycled things, which is fine, but when you want something to look a little nicer, it's nice to have some clear options, and those are much cheaper than you'd find anywhere else, so grab some of those. This is another thing I grabbed, some white gravel and some black gravel, and I like to use these to decorate my succulent pots. Let me just show you real quick one that I did recently. So I put some black gravel right around this, and it just sets it off so nicely, and it just keeps the moisture in a little bit longer. So we'll put that one back, and it looks nice with the terracotta, I think. I saw these fertilizer sticks. I've never tried these before. A friend of mine uses them on his spider plants all the time and has good success. So I thought I'd just give them a try. Why not? And I was in the seed section. I've already bought most of my seeds, but I saw these microgreen seeds, and it's a hot mix. It has a bunch of mustard greens and things in it. So I thought I would give them a try. I've been wanting to start some microgreens, and this will motivate me to get some going. And I think that's it for my plant haul, Dollar Tree haul. No plants this time, but a lot of things to go with plants and with my garden. And so I thought maybe it'll inspire you to check out the Dollar Tree and see what you can find there. All right, well, have a great day and happy gardening.